Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to deposit money to Binance from bank account. First of all, visit Binance website and log into your account. Now go to the wallet section and click on fiat and spot. On the fiat and spot page, click on deposit button. Now select the fiat currency and choose bank transfer as a deposit method. Now, Binance will display the bank details you need to use for the deposit. The information may include bank name, account number, routing number, and SWIFT code. You will need to log into your bank account to initiate the transfer using the details provided by Binance. Bank transfer may take anywhere from few hours to several business days to proceed, depending on the method you choose. Once the transfer is complete, the deposited fund will appear on your fiat and spot wallet. You can check the deposit status by going to Wallet and Transaction History. So that is how you can deposit money to Binance from your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.